Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you how to use a LAY-Z-SPA in a hard water area using the Best-Way Stain and Scale Controller. The tips in this video will help to keep your LAY-Z-SPA in the best condition and help prevent the build-up of scale which can damage your heating unit. I'm based in England in a very hard water area, lots of limescale, lots of chalk, and you can see this just by looking at my kettle. And this limescale residue just builds up on everything. So it's really important to try and keep control of the scale in your water. And if you are in England, around 60% of UK households will live in a hard water area or a very hard water area. So it's really important to use this stain and scale controller as part of your regular maintenance. And I've found this stuff to be really amazing. It really does help keep the water cleaner. If not treated, the hard water can actually damage your LAY-Z-SPA with scale build-up, and you could get scale build-up around the heating elements inside the heating unit, so it will be a lot harder to heat the water and use more energy and increase your running costs. If your hot tub has already been filled for a few weeks and you're treating it for the first time, you may have to regularly replace the filter because this will get dirty after you've treated it with the scale and stain controller. Make sure that you read the instructions on the front and the rear of the bottle. The dosages are written on the back, and this particular spa holds 600 litres, so the initial dose to add is 15 millilitres, and then every week you add 9 millilitres. 600 litres is 600,000 millilitres, and you're adding 15 millilitres, which works out about 0.0025% of the water. Give it a good shake first. And for the initial dose on this 600 litre LAY-Z-SPA, you're adding 15 millilitres. If you've got a small syringe, use that, that'll be much more accurate. Then add this directly into the LAY-Z-SPA. And then once you've added it directly into the LAY-Z-SPA, just swish it around a little bit, and then make sure you put the bubbles on. That helps to distribute it all round nice and evenly, and put the bubbles on for about 20 to 30 seconds. And then 1 week later, and every week you need to add 9 millilitres. So this is a week later, and again turn the bubbles on for a minute or so just to help spread that around. And that will definitely help keep your LAY-Z-SPA water clean and your heating unit in tip-top condition. I've found this stuff to be really good. Now normally at this point I'd have a lovely cup of tea, but as it's a beautiful day, I'm in this LAY-Z-SPA, I think I'm going to have some bubbly. This is just lemonade, not champagne. Cheers. Now it's time to go back to the 1980s in my hot tub time machine.
How the hell did we end up in the 80s?
I don't know. Must be some kind of hot tub time machine. I hope you found that useful. Up here is a top 10 tips on how to keep your water super clean in your LAY-Z-SPA. And there's also some other useful videos on the LAY-Z-SPA around the edges of the screen. Right, see you later.